them round you.
Hello. Hi. He's trying to get in my bag. There's nothing in there, girls. Seriously, there's nothing. Oh.
Kim, what's he trying to get in the bag?
Can't get in the bag. What are you after? What are you trying to do? Oh, they're having a play. It's because it's a plastic bag. Cats like plastic bags. Oh my God. They're having a little play. Oh. Having a little play. Are you having a little play? Oh yeah. Hey. Hello. There's nothing in there. There's nothing to eat. Peekaboo. Now the other one's coming over. Edward, you would just love this. Edward, you'd be in your absolute element now. Look at Mr. Blackie there. Kittens love to play. So many kittens. What are you doing? What are you playing in? This one's trying to get in my bag. You silly cat. You got yourself out. Is that Mummy telling you off? Mummy's saying, stop, behave yourself, she's saying. Stop prattling about. Stop prattling. No, don't do that. That's not nice.
Where are we going, Kim?
Aww. Huh? Well, yeah, we are going. Well, yeah, but I've got a cat in it at the moment. Take it with me. Dippy cat. Come on then. Can I have my plastic bag back, please? Can I have my plastic bag back? Can I have my plastic bag back? Can I? Hey? Can I have my plastic bag back? Hey? Can I have my plastic bag back? Hey? You do like Kaz, don't you?